Bulgar, welcome to Bulgarlicious presents Kitchen Chaos, where these jars decide the menu. This segment presents stories in every recipes. No plans, no cheating. Whatever comes out, we cook and let's go! Chicken, pasta, Bicol Express. Okay, let's cook!
Unahin na nating lutuin ang pasta noodles, and as usual, let's make it al dente. Next, i-debone ang ating chicken thighs na gagamitin natin as protein for today's kitchen chaos. Let's not forget our panggisa na bawang at sibuyas. Mas marami, mas yummy. I-chop din ang siling green na hinding-hindi mawawala sa napunot nating dish plus parsley. In a saucepan, i-melt ang butter saka igisa ang bawang at sibuyas. Let's pour the cooking cream and continue stirring. Maglagay ng kaunting chili pepper, saka ibuhos ang gata na main character sa ating Bicol Express sauce. Bicol Express and pasta, I got you, Kabulgar! Maglagay ng salt and pepper sa ating sauce and we're done. Next, sa isang pan, i-fry lang ang chicken na nauna na nating i-prepare kanina at sa bukod na kawali, gisahin natin ang bagoong para achieve ang ating Bicol Express flavor. Pagsamahin na rin natin ang sauce at pasta, then slice ang chicken. Then serve with love. Presenting Bicol Fredo Pasta, a creamy fusion with a spicy kick. Classic Bicol Express meets chicken Alfredo pasta. Rich, bold, and bursting flavor in every bite. Only here at Bulgarlicious! At syempre, hindi makukumpleto ang fun kung hindi natin susubukan. Kaya naman, it's tikiman time!
Yeah. Malinamnam.
Okay. Talaga?
Delicious talaga.
Okay.
Pwede pa akong magdagdag.
Go! Flavorful adventure with a tasteful surprise. Dito lang yan sa
Bulgarlicious!